Are you looking for a stunning home in a private setting? You have found it. This 4-bedroom, 3 full, 2 half-bath ranch on a finished walkout basement sits on over 10 acres of land. Beautiful woods and a stocked pond create an outdoorsman paradise right in your own backyard. From the front porch, you can sit and enjoy the view of the water. Throughout the home, there are large windows allow for limitless rays of natural light, and design choices introduce a touch of rustic elegance. Cooking will be a breeze in the large kitchen that's full of updates. Custom maple cabinets with LED lighting, quartz countertops, an island, marble backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. Multiple living spaces and large open rooms make this home perfect for entertaining. With a fireplace in one and a gorgeous coffered ceiling in the other, every detail is not to be overlooked. Host dinner in the dining room as you warm up with a delicious meal and watch the snowfall. The master bedroom boasts a soaring vaulted ceiling and a master bath with heated marble flooring and a large marble walk-in shower. All bedrooms boast plenty of space to relax and unwind in your own oasis. The basement will be the pinnacle of entertainment with a rec space, workout room, and full handmade commercial bar. Outside, 2 stamped concrete patios, one off the kitchen with built-in grill and the other off of the lower level, complete with a fire pit. Make it easy to take the fun outside and enjoy the breathtaking views that surround you. With so many unique features and intricate details, this home is a must-see. Call Paul Sawfield for your personal tour.